Good morning students. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to deal with determiners, an important topic of grammar. Students, what is determiner? Determiner is a word that specifies or determine a noun, and always determiner comes before a noun. Now what do you mean by specify or determine a noun? That we will see later. Let's see one example. We need more information on this topic. So we need information on this topic. So this topic specifies about topic. More specifies the noun information. So in this way, determiners are used to specify or determine nouns. Students, there are 4 types of determiners. Which are they? See, first one is article. Article, as you know, a and the. These are the articles. Then there are demonstrators. These, that, these, those. These are demonstrators. Possessives, his, her, its, their. Then there are quantifiers. Some, any, few, many. These are quantifiers. Let's deal with these topics one by one. First one, articles. As we know, there are 2 types of articles. One is definite indefinite article and second one is definite article. Indefinite articles are a and an. A and an, these articles are used before a singular noun and before any noun which is not specific, which identity is not established. For example, I read a book. A book means any book. I ate an apple for breakfast. So these 2 things, as we know, are singular and not specific. Definite article, the. For example, the Ganga is the largest river in India. So both times the is a specific article and it specifies the noun Ganga and longest. As you know, Ganga is the only river in the world. Longest, superlative degree of adjective. So you must have understood now that this article is used before any specific noun or any extraordinary thing, before superlative degree. And there are many more uses of the. You will come to know it in the chapter articles. Afterwards, there is demonstrators. There are 4 main demonstrators. This, that, these and those. These, that are singular and these and those, these are plurals. Demonstratives are used to demonstrate or point out the object they refer to. The example is given. This is a present from Suzanne. These notes are given by our teacher. Students, these and these 2 articles are used to specify, to demonstrate those things which are near to us. For example, this is my book. These are my pens. So these things are near to me, near to the speaker. So these things are mentioned by demonstrator this and these. But the things which are far away from the speaker are mentioned by those and that. For example, those are the pictures, that is a window. In this way, we use demonstratives. Next determiner is possessives. Students, possessive adjectives are the words that show ownership, and these adjectives are also used as determiners. For example, where is your pen? This is my room. So all the pronouns which come before any noun are called possessive adjectives. My pen, your, his, her, our, their. These all are possessives. And these are also called as determiners. Last type of determiner is quantifiers. Quantifiers, as you know, determine the quantity of a noun or any substance. Quantifiers like 1 to even are used as determiners. For example, 1 book, 3 pens, 2 books. So these also function as determiners. Here some, few, little, much, more, any. These are some of the examples of quantifiers. The example is, I ate some biscuits and cookies. Many of us are going for the can. Many is here determiner, that is quantifier. Just let's see some more examples for determiners. Grandma got a postcard from Raghav. This is article. This is functioning as determiner also. There was a little water in the pitcher. Little, determiner. There were several birds perched on the wire. Several, determiner. This is my house. My, determiner. Their house is on the right. Their, determiner. This is his pencil. His, determiner. My ball is new. My, determiner. His brothers and sisters had already flown away a day before. So and his both are determiners. Someone has eaten all the grapes in the fridge. All here again is a determiner. These are some of the examples from your book. You have this chapter in your book, third chapter. Try to solve this chapter by your own. And if you have any queries, you can ask us in online class or personally even. Thank you children for watching.